Good evening, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan from
Chris and Joan
Travels.
Okay, this is day 3, and we've decided to try the Indulge food hall for dinner.
So we're gonna go
around here and see what there is.
We'll go over this with you. So first off, you pick your, it's open seating, so you pick your table. Now, if you pick at the table here with the tablet, you can order off of any station. But if you sit over at the stations by themselves, you can only order from that one station. So if you want to order more than you order from a seat with a tablet. And then the ones at the stations have the tablet, but you can only order like tapas. You can only order tapas. So then you pick the categories, everything.
So the first category is
the Latin Quarter.
Second category is noodle dinner.
Noodles. This one is the plantery.
This is the vegan or the vegan thing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And then Q Steakhouse.
That's the steakhouse. Here's what you can order from them.
Seaside rotisserie dinner.
Tamara dinner. And this is tapas. And then you can get your desserts. You can order your drinks, your soft drinks, and your water. You can order beers.
Drink of the day.
And the drink of the day.
Cocktails on tap.
And the cocktails.
And
so
wine.
You can order as much of it as you want.
Okay, so we kind of looked at this and I've decided I am going to start with Texas Q and I'm going to order the brisket. And you get to select the quantity you want. I'm just going to order the one. And if you notice, it adds it to my order.
Now I'm going to do the chicken.
And Joni said she's going to try the chicken. And we'll add the chicken. And then we have 2. And then we were looking at, where was it? We were going to try the, from the tapas.
Papas.
We were going to try one of the, splitting the pan con tomato.
I'm not sure, that's just bread.
It's kind of bread with tomato sauce and garlic is what it looked like. And then, what else? There was something else you looked at.
Was there anything on the top?
There wasn't.
Nothing else. Then we're going to get, oh yeah.
She was going to try the penny, which is
penny noodles, basically.
Yeah, with eggplant and ricotta. And she's just going to pick out the eggplant. So
you
we'll
know what
add that. So I think that's all we were going to choose, but if you want to look at what it's on all of them, we'll start. So the Latin Quarter has 4 options. Noodles has 4 options. Plantier has 5 options.
Yeah, I want to do minestrone soup.
I want you to eat all of it. Texas Q actually has 10 options. Seaside has 6. The Tampa dinner has like 12. And Tapas has 7.
All right, and then we got to order our drinks.
We're not going to do that because we're going to go use our card.
Oh, yeah.
There's a way to do it with your card.
Okay.
So we'll do it with the card. So I think that's it. Let's see. I want to pay. Placing your order. Thank you. And because everything was free, the total charge was 0. But if you look, like if you don't have the drink plan, you pay. But as I remember on Prima, there should be a drink station where I can go swatch my card. Let's see if we're going to pause this for a second. I'm going to see where it is, then we'll come back.
So yeah, so here's the noodles. I don't know where he went.
So you get your cups, you get your ice, and then you got to scan your card.
See if it works. Because last time,
see how well this works. Scan key below.
You have 16 seconds.
Come over here and get.
Choose the drink. So this is one of the
Time was up.
only places that has the self-serve drinks.
Kind of cool how that works. Now we have our drinks.
Sorry.
Too fast.
So that was less than 5 minutes.
That was less than 5 minutes. That's fast.
We just went to get our drink, and we already got our chicken, the brisket, and the bread. So
Yeah, you don't have your soup in
and I'll
there.
have a few other things here soon. That was fast. So this is the chicken. This is that tomato bread. And this is Chris's brisket. Oh, and then there's my soup. So look at all that. This looks good. So this is what we did. Literally less than 5 minutes. It was out.
Okay, the only negative on the drinks, there are no straws. There you go. That's hers.
Forgot I got one more thing, my penne. Look at that, looks good. This is all of our food.
Have fun, dear.
Manja, manja.
Okay. It's dessert time. Now we gotta go figure out what we want. What we got? We got choices here. Coffee walnut cake, chocolate mousse cake, some various breads, some assorted jellos. This is Chris, I don't even know how to say that. Marigold blueberry cream. This is coffee walnut cake. This is chocolate mousse cake. Oh, this all looks so good. And banana mousse cake. Ooh, what's Chris picking?
What's Chris gonna get for dinner?
Chris is gonna get the chocolate mousse cake.
We already did
We already knew that. So I'm gonna get. There we go.
that. These is
What's
complimentary.
Joan getting?
What am I gonna get? I'll probably have the same. Get me a chocolate mousse cake.
There you go.
Thanks, dear. Yum yum.
I got this. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, now we can go have our dessert.
Here's the chocolate mousse cake. So here is Indulge Food Hall. I messed up. And be greeted by a beautiful hostess. And there is a hand washing station. So this is complimentary. And it's self-seating, so you sit, find a seat. Some nice seats right here by the window. So, how this works is you sit at a regular table and there's plenty of seating. Just see, this is basics, and there's also seating outside. You sit at a regular table, you order from the tablet. You can order anything from any food station. So if you wanna, you order at the table. You can order anything as much as you want from each food station. But if you sit at the food station, you can only order from that one restaurant. So this is Tamara. So if you sit here, you can only order from them. This is Texas Smokehouse. Same thing, if you sit here, you can only order from them. And there's more seating here. We actually came in nice yesterday. It was so packed we couldn't make it in. And then this is the drink station. So you have your coffees, regular hot water and decaf. And they do have the teas. They have honey, they have creamer. So people are asking, what kind of creamers do they have? Just half and half. And they got honey, and then the sugars you need. And then water. You pick your cup, you pick your ice, you tap your card, and you choose your soda. And Chris will put that in there because he did that. So you choose where you want to sit. There's lots of seating. Like I said, all pick your own seat. You sit here, you choose from everything. This is noodles. If you sit here, you can only order from noodles. Lots of chairs, lots of seating. And this is the Latin Quarter. So you order from here. And this is the Luna Bar. You can get drinks here. And outside is the open deck. And then more seating over here. And good to know is that they do serve breakfast in here. So if you don't want to deal with the buffet line, which is crazy, a lot of people don't know, you can come in here. And it's kind of a pick your own. Maybe we'll try to check it out, but it was a pick your own, like little grab and go sandwiches, things like that. So, and this is more tapas. And more seating, and everything goes out to the outside. So there's a very big space. The seating that way from outside. And so, said, order at the tables off of a tablet and order as much as you want. So this is definitely a must. Once again, here's all the desserts. And Chris finished his. So this is Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment below. Let us know what you think. What would you order from the Texas Steakhouse, from Indulge Food Hall? What areas would you do? What did you think of this? Say goodnight, Chris.
Night.
He's vlogging.
I'm looking at my cats.
He's checking his kitty cats. All right, thanks for watching. Comment below. Bye.